So today's video, we get the question a lot about what's it look like when you guys come in and do drainage in the basement. How much is taken up of the concrete? What's it look like installed? How much dust is collected? So in today's video, we went back to a job site and you could see how much concrete was taken out to do the drainage, why it works, and we explain a little bit more about that. So we're in the middle of completing this drainage system out here at this home. We've came in, we've busted out the concrete, we've excavated where the footing would have been, and we've laid our drain tile and backfilled it with the gravel already. Now this particular system that we're using is a fast track system. This is a system that we're going to use when it's needed for higher flows of water, or the slab is too thin to get an appropriate pour with the concrete, and the footer is not the appropriate size to use another one of our systems called water tunnel. You can see the top of this fast track system, you can see the gravel back over it, and then you see this dimple board. This dimple board's coming up, and the reason that this is here is we've drilled weep holes into this block to release the water that the block is actually holding inside of it, and so that it can come down into our drainage system. This will stay here, so when they're done, they're gonna pour the concrete back over. You're gonna see a few inches of the dimple board. This also allows for any cracks in the wall that might let in water or windows to be able to make sure that it gets down to our drain system and not out onto your floor. But as you can see here, this is the fast track system, and this is the part that's actually below the gravel that you don't see. You have these slits which allows the water as it rises to enter into this channel to make sure that it runs back and over to our pit. And so the reason the slits are on the bottom is to make sure any sediment in that water filters out before it gets into our system, which allows us to be able to give that life of the structure warranty with our drainage systems to guarantee that they never clog or they break down. So the next steps for these guys is going to be actually pouring the concrete back over this to make sure that we get a good clean finish and make sure that this drainage system works properly for a very long time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you understand a little bit more about what it goes into putting the drainage in your basement, why it works, how it works. If you would like to get somebody out to take a look at your basement for water intrusion or high moisture levels, go to our webpage, Acculevel.com, click the Book a Consultation button, fill out the form. We'll contact you within the next business day and get one of our project advisors out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you hit that like and subscribe button.